everyone, welcome to another story and snack time. So today's book is The Sandwich Swap by Her Majesty and Queen Rania Al Abdullah with Kelly DiPuccio. So this is a story about Salma and Lily, and they're best friends, but they disagree on who has the better sandwich. Lily has a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and Salma has a hummus and pita sandwich. So we're gonna get into our bento box and have our snack inspired by both Lily and Salma. So we're gonna start with a snack to represent Lily's peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and we have these peanut butter and jelly crackers. They're gonna go in our bento box. Perfect. And next we're going to make some pita and hummus. Here's our little pita pockets, very cute. And we know Salma puts in some cucumbers. And she adds some delicious almonds. And of course, we can't forget the most important part, our hummus. And I'm gonna put a dollop of hummus in there for you to dip your pita and cucumbers. And that's our simple snack for the Sandwich Swap book. We hope you enjoyed and enjoy your snack.